Python language is popular because it's incredibly easy to learn and code for beginners. You need to write fewer lines of code when you are solving a problem using Python as compared to other programming languages. Python has a large developer community, which means that you have a lot of frameworks and libraries already available that you can use. For example, there is TensorFlow for machine learning, Matplotlib for charting and plotting, NumPy for mathematical calculations. As much as Python is easy for beginners, it is also used in complex research projects, which means that the users can progress from a beginner to an expert programmer. At Plezmo, we introduce coding to children using visual programming. We make sure that they learn the core concepts, which are common across all programming languages. Then they move from visual programming to Python programming using the tools that Plezmo provides.